Hello, this is Amir from route25.com. Today I want to show you how to install the MSLA. It's a light modest security log auditor that I wrote it by myself. Actually, it's kind of student project, but you can optimize it. You can use the patterns, regular expressions patterns, and change them for your own usage in your website. So basically, after you download the zip file, you just need to extract the zip file in your web server. I will make a directory named, I already have this one, but I want to show you the new one. So I will make name MYSQL, and inside I will just extract everything. So basically the files that you can find inside this zip file is the README, that the details about the installation, and I put a simple log. This one is 49 kilobyte just for testing, and this is the database for our project that you have to import it. I will show you, and index and parser and pattern and user agent are the main file for this script, and config.php is the file that all the configuration for this project is inside that. So we're gonna start. First, you have to go to your MySQL server and make a database for this script. So I use phpMyAdmin. I define a new database named MYSQL2 create. So after this database created, I will go inside and click on import. As you can see, we got the file is on my computer, C, XAMPP, htdocs, and MYSQL. So this is our database, MYSQL Actually, it's empty, but a structure and the username password for admin area is inside that. So you just select that and import it. So basically, this is the database. This is the first step that you have to do to create the database, and then you have to change the config file. You can open the config file in any text editor. I use Dreamweaver. So this line is your host for the database. This is the local host for me, and the username is root for me, and the password for the database here is empty, and the database name, my database now is MYSQL2, and this line is important. This line is the name of your log file that you want to analyze using this software and get the report out of that. So my log file in this case is modestsec _audit.log. So already it's here. So I will save this file and close. Okay. Using address bar, I try to access to the page to ModSec, and this is it. But first of everything, anytime that you want to import your log from the text file, I mean like the log file, the original log file from Mood Security, you have to run file named parser.php. After that you run that, that parser.php will convert the log file to MySQL. So it will import it to the MySQL database, those fields that we need. And later on, if you just run the index.php, this page will show up and bring you the result or draw the graph. So now I want to import, so I just write here parser.php and I will run it. It will take a little bit time. It depends on the size of your log. Here my log was small, so just in few seconds it become done. So I just come to database to check if rows imported. Yes, as you can see, all rows imported now. So I will come back here and go back to mod security. The username password is already in the readme file, but it's root25.com as username, and the password is SSAP25. I press the login. Again, for drawing the chart, it take a little bit of time, and after that it will load. So basically this is a light MSLA dashboard. Here you can see the memory usage and CPU usage. Actually now I am in the Windows, so it's not work properly, but if you run this script in Linux, they use the Linux resources and show the measurement right. And this is the chart for the attack. This database that I import just had this only one kind of attack, and this is the pie chart for that. Basically you can see it's very colorful. If you have many more attacks, the color will be different and it's randomized, and the name of the attack will show up here. Here is more details. This chart is more details that will name the attacks and the amount of them, and you can sort based on amount. If you click on the amount, you can sort, and this chart is the attack with a calendar. It will show on each day how much attack did we have, and this is showing the operating systems that trying to access. I have to mention that as I use robot software for attacking to the model security for testing, those robot software, if you don't define the name as a header, so the user agent will be empty and it here will show unknown. So this is the reason. And again, for the browser, the same reason will lead to unknown. But if you use, for example, Firefox for attacking, it will show Firefox here in the browser. And that's it. This was the project. If you press the logout, you can log out from the dashboard. Again, I'm saying that this was a student project, but I tried to write it in a best way possible. But it's not complete. You can complete it yourself in a way that you need it. And I try to import the bigger log file to see the result, but it might take a while. So I first go here. Oh, sorry. I delete all the rows already imported. So it will show 16 rows deleted. So the log is empty now. I try to import again a big log file. Okay, I will go into config.php and I will tell it the name is log2.log. That's it. And come back here, run the parser again to import. But this one will take a while because the log file is 81 megabyte, so it will take time to import. As you can see, the Chrome is trying and processing. After a while, it will be done, and then we can go to index.php. If you had any question regarding to this project, you can refer to my website, root25.com. I already put the information regarding to the how to install the model security, the basic how to install model security step by step for beginners. Already exists in my website. And another article that is related to this topic is how to implement reverse proxy with mod security. If you want to have the reverse proxy next to the mod security, this article will help you too. And also about the light MSLA, you can find more information inside my website. So just can visit my website later if you have any problem. Okay, now the import process finished. As you can see, the page already load completely. Now I'm going to open the mod security root to see the graph. But again, I'm telling you that it will take a time to go into the loops and draw the chart. So a little bit after a while, it will draw the chart using Google API. Meanwhile it's loading, please put any comment if you had any problem, and follow us on Facebook page, Google Plus page, and Twitter of root25.com. Okay, as you can see, we have all kind of attacks because our log was bigger and it's contained a lot of attacks that I already did before. And these are the attack names, titles, and the amount. I can sort based on the amount. And here is attack per day, like a calendar showing the attacks, how much we had attack in each day. As you can see, in here also we got, but this part is too much, so these parts are very small. So, and this is the operating system. As you can see, unknown was the robots software that we use to attack Windows and Linux. For browser, we got Firefox. As you can see, it's small amount. Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, and Opera. And most of them was the robot software without header that our application know it as unknown. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.